Wow, Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro camera feature reveal those promo video. The trend of Pixel phone being leaked. Early this month, Google put up a promo video show of all of the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro from all angles. And Google going to next event on 4th October to launch Google Pixel 8 series. Now a new leak promo video graciously provided to 91 mobiles by tipster Camila, which reveal the camera feature of the upcoming Pixel phones. Now talk about the Google Pixel 8 series promo video details. The Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro give us breakdown of camera features. Some of the camera features highlighted in the video include Pro controls shipped to the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro like real tone, night shift, astrophotography, super range zoom, and the ability to swipe face and image likely through Magic Editor. For videos, Google has added features like video night sight for low light videos, audio eraser to reduce ambient background sound, and also improve skin tones. The Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro come with 50 megapixel main sensor and Pixel 8 come with 7 megapixel ultra wide and 8 Pro come with 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, super range zoom up to 30x. Both phones come with 10.5 megapixel dual PD selfie camera, and for the videography you can both phone record 4K 60fps video front and back also, and also come with lot of features in the photo and video section. Clearly going big on the camera with the Google 8 series has included those promo video highlighted a bunch of new features. So that's pretty much for all about Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro camera feature. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.